Why is it so tough to develop healthier habits? What makes bad habits cling to us like glue? Can you actually turn your lifestyle around for the better? Today, we're diving into the nuts and bolts of building healthier habits. We'll explore proven techniques to supercharge your ability to create and stick to a healthy lifestyle. Get ready to learn practical steps that will help you feel better, live longer, and enjoy life more. Let's cut to the chase and get straight into the action. Number 1. Know your habits. Let's start with a deep dive into your current habits. What do you do regularly without even thinking? Habits are those repetitive behaviors that often run on autopilot. They can be as benign as brushing your teeth or as damaging as having a few drinks every night. The first step to making a change is to become aware of these patterns. What triggers your unhealthy habits? Do you find yourself munching on snacks while glued to the TV? Do you light up a cigarette because your friends are doing it? Awareness is your first weapon in this battle. Once you spot these patterns, you can start to disrupt them. If watching TV leads to overeating, try eating without the TV. If your friends are your smoking buddies, suggest a healthier activity like going for a walk together. Tiny tweaks in your environment can lead to big changes in your habits. Number 2, make a plan. Now, let's talk strategy. You need a plan. Start with small, manageable goals. Outline specific actions you'll take to reach these goals. If you buy junk food from the vending machine at work every afternoon, change your route to avoid it. Pack healthy snacks from home instead. The goal is to make the healthy choice the easy choice. Think about what you need to succeed. Maybe you need to stock up on healthy foods, remove junk food from your home, or find a quiet spot to unwind. Get your friends and family involved. Their support can be a game changer. Also, be ready for obstacles. Life is full of surprises, and having a backup plan for stressful times or unexpected situations can keep you on track. Number 3, stay on track. Staying on track with healthier habits can be tough, but it's worth it. Keep an eye on negative thoughts and turn them into positive, productive ones. Tracking your progress can help a lot. Use a journal, app, or computer to log your diet, exercise, stress levels, or sleep patterns. Studies show that people who keep track of their progress are more successful in maintaining healthy habits. Even when you feel like you're slipping, keep going. Tracking can provide valuable insights, even during setbacks. The more you practice self-control, the stronger it gets. You'll develop the ability to choose better actions and reactions over time. Number 4, think about the future. Some people find it really hard to resist immediate gratification. This is known as delayed discounting, where the immediate reward seems more appealing than the long-term benefit. This can lead to overeating, substance abuse, and other risky behaviors. To counter this, practice episodic future thinking. Vividly imagine the positive outcomes or rewards in the future. This strengthens your ability to make better long-term decisions. Focus on how changes will benefit your life. Quitting smoking, for instance, reduces heart attack risk within 24 hours. Reducing stress can improve your relationships. Even small improvements in diet and exercise can significantly enhance your health and extend your life. Number 5, be patient. Adopting healthier habits isn't always smooth sailing. Sometimes other health issues can get in the way. If you're struggling, consider if there are underlying factors like mental health conditions. Depression and anxiety can be tied to unhealthy behaviors. Seeking help from a health professional can make the process easier and more effective. Remember, it's never too late to make healthy changes. Whether you're out of shape, overweight, or older, you can always improve your habits. Keep trying different strategies until you find what works best for you. Change is a journey, and it's okay if things don't go as planned. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. Building healthier habits is challenging but definitely achievable. Remember, every small step counts. Keep pushing forward, and you'll see positive changes in your health and well-being. Stay committed, stay focused, and most importantly, believe in your ability to change. You've got this.